This is my work needed for my essay. My essay question is to show the development of a particular subject, core or foundation. And this is all the notes I need, basically. There's a lot. This lecture defined the curriculum and basically what it was all about. So it involved, for each subject, it involved outcome, knowledge, teacher, pediology, I'm guessing is like the core basic subject, curriculum, and then the final like outcome thingy. And then the subjects we covered in that was romanticism and program, government, national curriculum, utilism, you can see the word there because I can't really pronounce that, teaching, and there's the other last bits. And then after that we had a seminar on choosing our subject for an assignment on England and Wales curriculum. England and Wales can be very different, so like here's the notes. I chose personally to do art and design and think about how they can vary. And art in England is basically just focuses on experiment, explore, and the historical background, exploring their own ideas and their imagination, experimenting with materials, techniques, and then the historical background, so like different artists like Vincent van Gogh, Leonardo da Vinci, And then this is the Welsh structure. And they kind of focused on the same thing, but they just worded it differently. So it was like creative, experimental, and then historical, but it was still the same sort of aim. And in their subjects, they also include English and maths in any of their foundation subjects. So if you went into a classroom, they'd have to have a key word or something like that. And then lecture 2 went on to the background to the national curricula of England and Wales, which is kind of what I just told you. But this involved like everything of the development. So from 1833 to right up until right up until 1988, which apparently is relevant. But right now there's I think it's still kind of changing, that's why we're not learning about it right now. It's all independent learning right now, so it's learning to learn. I'm not going to include that in my essay because I don't think it's what they'll want. And then our pre-lecture prep for Wednesday is to have chosen our subject, so mine's art and design, and to have an intended reading list for the assignment to print it off. So she basically gave us our list for reading, and I just highlighted them in blue going down. And then what I need to print off is the subject preferred one, so that I can find the art one for Wales and the art one for England. And then what I'm going to do is when I actually come to like proper writing, because I prefer to like write it down and then go on the computer and like just copy it all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until my third lecture to see if the learning thing is in there, which I don't think it is. And then I'm going to learning about levels. And then I'm going to split it into sections. Like, she wants it as a formal essay, but I'm going to split it into sections. So one bit focuses on England and Wales, one bit focuses on the art, and then the next bit develops it. And I'm going to go over that with my personal tutor as well. So, if you're doing this subject and you need advice,